Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the employee directory and global people search template and explore its contents. To install employee directory, head to the templates section from admin home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can help your employees connect with each other, whether it's looking up contact information or exploring where somebody fits into an organization. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Pages section. Locate and select the directory page. At the top of the page, there is a list block for your new joiners. It contains a filter to only show employees with a start date of today or later. The following list block displays all employees with upcoming work anniversaries. This contains a filter to only show employees with anniversaries in the next 8 days. The main content block of the page is your employee directory. If you haven't yet populated your person model, you won't see anything in any of these blocks. Select a person in the list block. This will open their profile page. In this example, we're using Demi Hart. The template also adds a search object, which you can find in the search section accessible from admin home. On the search results page, you will now see a people filter. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.